Good morning, students. Today, I would like to start modern auditing and practice. This is a theory-oriented subject. Rani Chennamma University prescribed this subject for BCom 6M students. This subject having 5 units. The first unit, Introduction to Auditing. Meaning and definition of auditing. The word audit is derived from the Latin word audire, which means to hear. Auditing is the verification of financial position as disclosed by the financial statements. Financial statements means assets and liabilities and profit and loss. It is an examination of accounts to ascertain whether the financial statement give a true and fair view of financial position and profit and loss of the business. Auditing is the intelligent and critical test of accuracy, adequacy, and dependability of accounting data and accounting statements. Different authors have defined differently. Some of the definitions are: auditing is an examination of accounting records undertaken with a view to establishment whether they correctly and completely reflect the transactions to which they support to relate of the business. So this definition is given by L.R. Dixie. According to him, auditing is an examination of accounting records. So the clerical, there is top of the organization, recorded day-to-day transaction in a books of accounts. So that are to be entered in the books of account correctly and completely, so that transaction it shows or reflect the transaction which they are supposed to relate to the organization. So another definition, auditing is concerned with verification of accounting data, determining accuracy and reliability of accounting statement and reports. So this definition given by R.K. Mauch. So auditing is concerned with the verification of accounting data, determining the accuracy. So that shows the accuracy and reliability. So that are there is a shows true and fair view. It's mean. Then another definition given by R.E. Scholzer, auditing is the systematic examination of financial statements, records and related operations to determine adherence to generally accepted accounting principles, management policies and stated requirement. So according to him, auditing is the systematic examination of financial statements and its records and related operations to determine adherence to general accepted accounting principles. All the transactions of the business are recorded according to the generally accepted accounting principles, and also uh, management policies should be adhered to while recording the transactions. So that is, this is the these are the some definitions given by various the authors. Now what are the objectives? The objectives of auditing are changing with advancement of business techniques. Earlier it was only the check the correctness of receipts and payments. The objectives of the auditing have been classified into two heads. One is the main objective and secondly subsidiary objectives. What are the Now let us go to discuss here the what are the main objective of auditing. The main objective of the auditing is to find reliability of financial position and profit and loss statement. The objectives is to ensure that the accounts reveal a true and fair view of the business and its transactions. The objectives is to verify and establish that at a date given balance sheet and presents it to where true and fair view of financial position of the business, and the profit and loss account gives a true and fair view of profit and loss for the accounting period. It is to be established that accounting statements satisfy certain degree of reliability. Thus the main objective of auditing is to form an independent judgment and opinion about the reliability of accounts and truth and fairness of financial state of affairs and working results. So this is the main objective of uh, auditing.